What is going on with Ripple right now? We just saw a massive, and I mean massive, surge in their stablecoin, RLUSD. Over $100 million worth of RLUSD was minted in just 48 hours. This isn't just a small blip on the radar, it's a strategic explosion that has pushed the RLUSD market cap to nearly $1.5 billion. So, what's behind this sudden flood of new stablecoins? Is it just random market movement, or is this part of a much bigger, more calculated plan by Ripple? Stick around, because we are going to break down exactly what this means and why it's a game changer for both Ripple and the entire crypto space. So, let's get right into the heart of it. Why would Ripple suddenly mint over $100 million in RLUSD? This isn't just for show. This is what we call institutional prepositioning. Think of it like this. Major players, like hedge funds and big financial institutions, are getting their chips ready for a big game. They are buying into RLUSD and building up their reserves. Why? Because they anticipate major, high-volume trading events on the horizon. They need a stable, reliable asset to use as collateral and for settlement, and Ripple is positioning RLUSD to be that asset. This isn't just about creating more stablecoins, it's about strategically providing the liquidity needed to support massive institutional trading volume. It's a clear signal that big money is getting ready to make some serious moves through the Ripple ecosystem. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. At the same time as this huge minting event, Ripple made a huge announcement: official support for Hyperliquid. If you're not familiar, Hyperliquid is a decentralized derivatives exchange. It's one of the fastest growing platforms in the DeFi space, allowing users to trade perpetual futures with high leverage, all on-chain. By integrating Hyperliquid into Ripple Prime, Ripple is essentially rolling out the red carpet for institutional traders to access the wild, high-potential world of DeFi. Ripple Prime is their institutional-grade platform, designed specifically for banks, hedge funds, and other major financial players. So, connecting it with a decentralized exchange like Hyperliquid is a monumental step. It's no longer about institutions dipping their toes in crypto. It's about them diving headfirst into decentralized derivatives trading. And Ripple is providing the secure, regulated on-ramp for them to do it. So how does this all work? How does a traditional hedge fund in New York or a bank in London start trading on a decentralized platform like Hyperliquid? This is where Ripple Prime comes in as the crucial bridge. Think of Ripple Prime as a heavily fortified, regulated gateway. It handles all the complex stuff that institutions care about: compliance, secure custody of assets, and robust risk management. It allows these traditional finance giants to interact with the decentralized world without having to deal with the technical complexities or regulatory uncertainties of using a standard crypto wallet. They can deposit their funds, get RLUSD, and then seamlessly use that RLUSD to trade on Hyperliquid, all through the trusted environment of Ripple Prime. This is the missing link that institutional finance has been waiting for. It's a bridge between the old world of regulated finance and the new world of decentralized innovation. Now let's connect all the dots and see the master plan. This isn't just a series of random good news events for Ripple. This is a beautifully executed strategy that I like to call the liquidity flywheel. First, Ripple creates a massive supply of RLUSD. Then, they get institutions to buy into it, pre-positioning it for big trades. Next, they integrate a high-demand platform like Hyperliquid, giving those institutions a powerful place to use their RLUSD. What happens then? As these institutions trade on Hyperliquid using RLUSD as their primary collateral, the demand for RLUSD skyrockets. More institutions will need to buy RLUSD to participate, which drives up its market cap and utility even further. This creates a self-reinforcing cycle. More utility drives more demand, which in turn creates more liquidity, making the platform even more attractive. Ripple isn't just building products. They are building a powerful, interconnected ecosystem with RLUSD at its very core. So, to wrap it all up, what we are witnessing is a masterclass in strategy from Ripple. They're not just participating in the crypto market. They are actively shaping its future by building the essential infrastructure to merge traditional finance with decentralized markets. The massive minting of RLUSD, combined with the strategic integration of Hyperliquid, is a clear and powerful move to dominate institutional DeFi. They are positioning RLUSD to be the go-to stablecoin for institutional trading, creating a powerful liquidity flywheel that could propel the entire Ripple ecosystem to new heights. This is one of the most exciting developments we've seen in a while, and it's a story you'll definitely want to keep your eyes on. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the crypto world. See you in the next one.